Hey everyone, this is just a quick look at this NEWOOTZ skull themed folding pocket knife. I've had this thing for more than a year now, and I've taken it hunting, camping, and everywhere I go, and it's held up great. This thing comes razor sharp out of the box, and I was actually surprised at how sharp it was considering the price. It has a really cool design with this skull carved into the handle, and this awesome titanium Damascus pattern over here. The blade also looks pretty cool and is made from D2 steel. It also has this rope on the handle with a small skull tied to it. The knife can be opened using this flipper on the back or the thumb hole on the front. And if you're wondering, yes, it does have an assisted opener. I'm not sure how it's locked, but it holds the blade in pretty well. Like, it really doesn't want to come out. The knife came in this awesome box with this little NEWOOTZ logo on it. Inside the box is a nifty little product certificate, a wipe for the blade, a knife bag, and finally, this knife pouch. The knife does fit in here, but I will mention that it's a little difficult to clip the bottom, so I wish there was a bit more room for the knife. The pouch also has this belt loop on the back. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.